One of the most beautiful things about animals is the way in which they have evolved over the years that they've inhabited the earth. The many different tricks of evolution that help animals survive also make them worthy of admiration. But have you ever wondered what animals would be like if they looked a little bit more like us? Well, one funny person with Photoshop skills decided to go ahead and show you just that. Get ready for 10 hilarious animals in a way you've never seen them before. Before we get started, take a moment to please subscribe to our channel, leave us a comment, and give us a like. In nature, most animals all have eyes on the sides of their heads. This feature helps them spot predators with greater ease. Not so with these goofy photos. One Photoshop artist shows you what these animals would look like with eyes on the front of their face, just like humans. Check out this deer's sincere expression. This rabbit wouldn't last too long in the wild with those funny little peepers. Can you imagine how silly it would be to stumble across an animal like this out in the wild? What a hoot! At least it would make catching rabbits easier for Elmer Fudd. This chicken is the stuff of nightmares. If chickens were born with eyes like these, then human beings would probably never have thought to find them tasty. How could you feast on a creature that stares you down like this? You might think of pigeons as being too observant, but if they were born with eyes like these, it seems like they would constantly be on high alert for stuff that mattered. You know, like breadcrumbs and ice cream cones dropped by toddlers. To be honest, this giraffe with his eyes moved to the front doesn't seem that much different than your average giraffe. However, give it time. The longer you look at it, the weirder looking it really is. Beautiful lashes though. Something about moving the eyes to the front of this shark makes him seem totally non-threatening. If you were drowning and this shark swam up to you, then you would probably swallow buckets of water just laughing at it. Silly jaws. Turns out some animals have their eyes on the side of their heads for practical reasons. With the eyes on the front of this goat, it's clear just how much of his head is used for headbutting. You wouldn't want eyes to get in the way of that. Things that need to happen immediately. A TV show starring this dolphin and the shark from earlier in the article. They would be best friends and roommates who bonded to survive their brutal bullying at the hands of the popular fishes in school. This silly face could only work in a crazy situation like that. Some people say that animals can express emotion in the same way that human beings can, but those people have clearly never seen a photograph of an ostrich with his eyes moved to the front of his face. Yep, he's definitely judging us all. Panda bears are solitary, sleepy creatures, easily identified by their black and white patterned coats. This panda definitely stands out from the crowd, with his forward-facing eyes moved even closer together. Still, unlike many of the other animals on this list, he at least looks somewhat sweet and innocent. Check out these other videos from Let Me Know. If you haven't made the move to subscribe to our channel, all you need to do is click on the red subscribe button. Thank you for watching.